Let's talk about the forecast for today because it is going to be another hot one, but not anywhere near as hot as we have been for the past 3 days. We are experiencing a little more typical summertime heat today, but some spots in our area could still hit the 90-degree mark. The sun is shining and we are coming off of 3 days of record heat. Just recapping the past 3 days, even the past 5 days have been hot. We missed a 5-day heat wave, by just 2 degrees on Sunday, fell just shy of the 90-degree mark. But then 3 straight broken records, 99 plus for 3 straight days. The last time that happened was in July of 1993, so more than 30 years ago. Your record rundown from yesterday, we broke the record in Philadelphia, 99 degrees. Atlantic City also broke a record, 102, broke the previous record by a full 6 degrees. That is very hard to do with these records that have been kept for a long span of time. And Wilmington at 99 broke the previous record of 98. It's going to be a nice start to the day down the shore, a nice beach day, at least early. But then later on this afternoon, we'll have some scattered showers and storms, and an east wind is going to pick up. And tomorrow looks pretty ugly down the shore. So if you're down the shore for the week, get out, get on the beach while you can today. Tomorrow might be a day for, some shopping, maybe the Cape May County Zoo, something along those lines. Not a great beach day, and much cooler in the city tomorrow as well. So today is kind of our transition day. We're at 80 degrees right now. We've got a few patchy clouds. It's still very sticky, 72 on the dew point, so making it feel like 84 right now. Winds are light out of the north, but as we go through the afternoon, you can see we'll start to warm up quickly. Could make a run toward 90. I think we top out in the upper 80s as that front starts to work its way in. And once showers and storms fire up by midday, we're going to start to trim the heat back. And you'll notice a big difference later this evening. Even 7 o'clock, we're back to the 70s and then down into the low 70s through the overnight hours, which is pretty much where we'll stay throughout the day tomorrow. So it all depends on location and timing here. You can see it's a big difference from the coast, which will look at low 80s today, to areas further inland over Delaware, Lancaster County, Berks County, which are headed into the low 90s. And here in Philadelphia, it's a bit of a squeeze play. We're kind of in the middle. The question is, how warm are we able to get before the showers and storms fire up and before that east wind makes an inroads? We'll make a run toward 90, but nowhere near 99 or 100. Heat alerts for today, still under a heat advisory down in Delaware and portions of Maryland, because we are still seeing those temps making a run toward 90, feeling like 100 at the height of the afternoon. So it's better, still not great as far as cool conditions are concerned, but tomorrow is going to feel downright chilly. So the setup here, we've got a boundary lurking off to the north, and this is going to start to almost retrograde inland as what we call a backdoor cold front, because it comes in from the east instead of coming in from the west. That's going to draw in this more stable, chilly marine air from the North Atlantic. And it's going to come with a few showers and storms. There is a marginal level 1 risk of severe weather, mainly from the city on south and west. I think the greatest risk is further off to the south and west, where the heat will build a little more today. But starting about 1:30, a couple of pop-up little pulse storms. Any one of these could produce localized downpours. 6 o'clock, we're seeing the storms, especially in those areas that do hit 90 today, like Delaware and our far western zones. You can see that east wind starting to pick up, that sea breeze, and it's going to move well inland. So later tonight, we've got clouds, we've got a few scattered showers and storms. Tomorrow, the boundary is stalled off to the south, so the entire region gets in on this east wind. It's a cloudy day. There will be a few spotty showers here and there, but it is chilly for the time of year. We're going to be stuck in the low 70s all day long. And then that lifts back north as a warm front, and Saturday clears out. We'll get sunshine and once again the chance for a few spotty afternoon storms, but you will be able to get out on Saturday morning and hit the pool, hit the beach, things like that. So tomorrow is really the anomaly here. We're at 73 for the high. Big difference. Clouds and a few showers, then right back to typical summer heat headed through the weekend and into next week.